Hi, I'm Ashay Bhave. I'm the CEO and founder of Theli, and this is how your sneakers were made.
Our journey starts at Cryotap Technologies, a waste management plant in Gurgaon, India. Our plastic bags are collected from homes and offices and are segregated from dry waste. The segregated plastic bags are then washed, sanitized, and hung to dry to remove any excess moisture. The bags are cut into sheets and fused with heat and pressure. The finished Theli Tech sheets are shipped to our shoe manufacturer in Jalandhar, India, where they are die cut according to pattern. The cut pieces are glued using 100% vegan glue solution. Then the Theli Tech pieces are stitched to the rPET fabric, which is made from recycled plastic bottles. The finished upper is molded on a last. This gives the shoe its shape. The upper and the sole are brushed with our vegan glue solution and then heat treated. The recycled rubber sole is stitched to the upper and then ultimately bonded with high pressure. The finished shoe is laced with our rPET shoelaces and then packaged in rPET totes made from 4 waste plastic bottles. Your pair is then packaged in a plantable shoe box, ready to be shipped. Simply cut and plant the box, and you will have a basil plant in 10 days. The Theli Y2K Pro, made from 10 plastic bags and 12 plastic bottles, ethically handmade and 100% vegan. Theli, don't just do it right.